So this is the last service call of the day. So they're saying that this unit is not cooling right now. The thermostat, it says it's at 69 degrees in here, and they're calling for 61. See what we get out of the temperature. We got 69.5. Let's see what we're getting out of the return area. Return, kind of getting about the same. So we have no temperature split. So that's not good. Okay, so let's go up on the roof. Let's hook up our gauges, check refrigerant pressures, and then we'll go from there. But for now, let's go to the roof. So a lot of the times it could just be a simple so that didn't do it. Okay, so what do we need? Screwdriver. Another one. Don't tell me there's another screw, bro. So here, let's grab our meter. Just make sure we are getting power at this terminal block. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see that, but you see that red wire? You see that green and red wire? They're loose. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see that. The green wire is literally sticking out. So let's do 125. 120, 84, put these together. Yep. Okay. Bam. Okay. Okay. So let's check this to this. Yeah, we're getting voltage there. Let's remove the disconnect. Check voltage again. Nothing, 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 to ground, nothing, 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 oh, nothing, nothing. Okay, so let's remove the whole screw. See if we can we just tighten it up. And we'll do the same for this one. Then let's give it Power. Now let's confirm. Power, 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 power. So let me give it some time to maybe kind of reboot. Might go into a little time delay. Okay, so there we go. We got power. System is running. Now we're gonna go ahead, take all this down with us, and then make sure that the unit is cooling downstairs. And if it is, then we're good to go. Let's go ahead and start packing up. Oh yeah, we're cooling. $68 degrees. We actually dropped a degree. Perfect. All right. So that'll be it for today's video, guys. If you guys enjoyed, I would appreciate hitting the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.